Hello, hello. So let's see what we got going on in the world today. Ooh, get this off my screen. Common blood pressure drug increases lifespan and slows aging in animals. Mm, I don't know. I don't know about this. This sounds like it'll just make us very old for longer. Like you get to be 90 for more years. Not very appealing. I'm not trying to be a prune for a longer period of time. The the hypertension drug rilmenidin has been shown to slow down aging in worms, an effect that in humans could hypothetically help us live longer and keep us healthier in our latter years. Yeah, but what about the side effects? Is it going to be slowing down our cellular activity? Previous research has shown rilmenidin mimics the effects of caloric restriction on cellular level, reducing available energy by maintaining nutrition within the body has been shown to extend lifespans. Sounds like it's been turning us into turtles. It's a turtle effect. So turtles live so long. Moving all slow. Whether this translates to human biology or its potential risk to our health is a topic of ongoing debate. Finding ways to achieve the same benefits without the cost of extreme calorie cutting could lead to new ways to improve health in old age. No, 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 that doesn't sound like it's going to be good. It doesn't sound good at all because there's a reason that human beings live as long as we do, and our gestation period is so long, and it takes us such a long period of time to mature. We need more nutrition than a lot of other animals. I don't think it's a good idea for us to be curtailing that. The study published in January, Young and Old, Cahona, Can, Canor Habitistis. Okay. Coha, Cohano Habiditis elegans, Jesus Christ, as worms treated with the drug, which is normally used to treat high blood pressure, lived longer and presented higher measures in a variety of health markers in the same way as restricting calories as the scientists hope. Yeah, but they also don't have brains like we do. They're kind of dumb. And a lot of what sets us apart is our brain. And I don't think depriving it of nutrition is a good idea. For the first time, we have been able to show in animals that rilmenidin, rilmenidin can increase lifespan, said molecular gerontologist. Jesus Christ, gerontologist. Uh, Joao Pedro Magal. They're playing games now. They're playing games with these words, man. From the University of Birmingham in UK. We are now keen to explore if rilmenidin may have other clinical applications. The C. elegans, shortened it to the C. elegans worm is a favorite for studies because many of its genes have similarities to counterparts in our genome. Well, they do look like skin, they like fingers and like extremities. Yet, in spite of these similarities, it is still a rather distant relation to humans. Further tests showed that gene activity associated with caloric restriction could be seen in the kidney and liver tissues of mice treated with rilmenidin. In other words, some of the changes that caloric restriction gives in animals and thought to confer certain health benefits also appear with hypertension drug that many people already take. Another discovery was that a biological signaling receptor called NISH1 was crucial in the effectiveness of rilmenidin. This particular chemical structure could be targeted in future attempts to improve lifespan and slow down aging. We found that the lifespan extending effects of rilmenidin were abolished when niche 1 was deleted. The researchers explained in their paper, critically rescuing the niche 1 receptor reinstated the increase in lifespan upon treatment. Okay, so it deletes uh, one of our receptors. That doesn't sound good, man. So you found a way to reinvigorate the deleted receptor. Uh, that doesn't sound like something that will track over an evolutionary period. So it doesn't have uh, it might benefit some people within our lifespan, but it might really mess up our genetics going forward throughout generations. Low-calorie diets are hard to follow and come with a variety of side effects such as hair thinning, dizziness, and brittle bones. It's early days still, but the thinking is that this hypertension drug could confer the same benefits as a low-calorie diet while being easier on the body. What makes rilmenidine a promising candidate as an anti-aging drug is that it can be taken orally. Okay? It can be sucked off. I got you. It's already widely prescribed, and its side effects are rare and relatively mild. They include palpitations, insomnia, and drowsiness in a few cases. There's a long way to go. Drowsiness because you lack nutrition. There's a long way to go. Insomnia because it messes with your brain. There's a long way to go. I don't have another one. Uh, palpitations because it's messing with your heart, blood flow, oxygen intake. There's a long way to go yet in figuring out if rilmenidine would work as an anti-aging drug for actual humans, but the early signs in these worm and mice tests are promising. We now know much more about what rilmenidine can do and how it operates. With a global aging population, the benefits of delaying aging even slightly are immense. Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea to have more old people at the same time. That doesn't sound good. Sound like you're trying to extend a period of dementia. Anyways, until next time.